back to the
You're still here? That's amazing!
You're so pessimistic. Welcome back to Jon and Mike's Bigfala Lesen blong Bislama.
Mike?
Yes.
Thank you for the top billing. Because I tried to give it to you in the first few lessons, but now you're giving it to me. I really appreciate that.
Whatever, man. It's all
So,
Jon, you have to
to
first.
It's all good. Normally we wouldn't let go, but he has the right, so I have to let go. So yeah.
Thank you, producer Kelsi, for my welcome shell to lesson number...
I can't remember. 7?
7!
We're looking at our producer. What is it? She says 7.
She
and
put up
fingers.
one hand with 2 more fingers.
7.
7.
This is lesson 7. That last one's a little long.
But we're harping on the number because this lesson is all about
Numbers.
So anyway.
You meant to make me say.
So anyway, welcome to lesson number 7.
I also hope you're also writing stuff in your notebook. Otherwise, you're just not going to be learning as well as you possibly could. So Jon will continue writing numbers as my shell will appear. Wait, oh, there it is. Thank you, Kelsi.
I'll do this. You'll just do whatever.
Yeah, that comment's not that bad right now.
No, that comes a lot better.
Yeah, that was.
I mean juice. We mean welcome juice.
Welcome, juice. So this should hopefully be a super short lesson, and then we'll get into something grammatically new.
For you Anglophones out there, this is going to be
really easy.
literally the easiest lesson that we have to offer.
Just remember what we taught you in the first lesson about
Number
1 lesson. Number 1 lesson about how to spell things in your new alphabet. So you wrote everything nice. I'll write everything sloppy now after this.
He is a mess.
I am a what? A mess?
Yes.
So, oh my god.
That was awesome.
Oh my god, I lost the chalk. Let's get a new chalk. So, this is obviously how you should write one in local talk. So this is
Local handwriting, if you will. Also known as European influence handwriting.
whatever. So this is 1, 2,
You're getting very short with our
3. Oh wait, I skipped 4.
Fola. R. A. Fola. No R. That's fola.
I just don't know, because of course it depends on where you actually.
No, it doesn't. Because we're putting an R as Americans would. It is not 4, it is 5. It's 5.
5.
There you go.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Now this is one of those examples when we said the letter X is no longer a letter, and you replace it with the KS.
6.
Just same phonetic and everything will be alright.
I'm pretty sure it's
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
English for 7.
8 is a little bit hard. It's not the 8. There's no H.
Actually, I'm completely lost.
E, I. Just like in English, when 2 vowels are long, or I'm sorry, that's right. I before E except after C, or when sounding like A, E-I.
You serious? That's all I gotta put?
Yeah.
Obviously, I did not spend enough time spelling this language. I mostly talk.
I would like to add that our producer is currently laying down on the table. Using books as a pillow.
I don't think that's correct.
Put an E where the I is. There you go. Wow, that's nice E.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
And you're great handwriting because I
No up
typed.
to 10, which is exactly the same for our Anglophones out there. This is exactly the same. T-E-N spells 10. No matter who you are, whether Yvonne or Anglophone.
20. Jon, would you please review my work? Is this correct?
You're good.
20.
We would like to thank our juice helpers, Tang. It went to space, and now it's in my mouth.
You got juice blong me?
Yes, I do. Orange cup for orange hair.
Alright, this can go back to the table. Thank you.
T-E-T-I. T-E. No, E.
Oh my gosh, I can't even.
T-I, not I-T-E-T.
Oh my gosh, I thought you meant.
No, you're I-T.
T-I.
What is that?
Terry.
Okay.
T-I-T. Terry.
TMT, what is this?
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Just pretty. Alright, I'm okay with that.
I've never done numbers in my life.
You want me to do it?
Yes.
Alright, you talk. How's that?
So, numbers in this language follows the English style of counting, base 10, unlike French style, base 20, go past them 80. French words?
80? 80 is quatre-vingts. Or as you would say, quatre-vingts.
French words up till 80 follow a base 20.
That's 100, because then it's quatre-vingt-dix-neuf. And then it's some.
Obviously, I only had a very short learning experience in French, but it's enough. Oh, so yeah. So, 100, I can't remember actually, 1,000, and then you can talk a million. Where this would be most important is in prices, also known as price. Spelled similar to prize in English. When you win something, you win a prize, which is the same word for price in Bislama. So, 100 Batu is very close to $1 US.
There you go.
Yes. So, you can think of any of these numbers in monetary value as move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So, if you were to ask at the market, tumas blong something, yeah, tumas, or let's go back to our last lesson in pronouns, it, hemi, tumas. They would tell you any number after that, hemi.
We actually used the word Hamas in our
First or second lesson.
the one where we went to the store. I bought not rice, but tin tuna and
Noodles.
Noodles! Nice one. Okay, the word was Hamas.
Noodles.
Literally meaning how much.
Or how many.
Or how many. Oh, we're about to go off camera.
We are off camera over there. I think. If we are still following our original spacing. It's how much or how many. Whatever, man.
And it's also very important to remember that mas, although never meaning much or many only, could also mean, is also used, I'm sorry, not could also mean, but is also used in the words tumas, hamas. So although it's not a direct translation, it's always a part of the words that come through. You might not be on camera. Which means that you need to take a juice break. If you're not on camera, you're taking a juice break.
It's true.
See? Our producer is telling you to get back on camera.
I'll save this a little bit for later. Oh, that juice is so sweet. Oh my god, we just made it. Oh, Jon.
It's off camera, nobody knows.
Continue, please.
So yeah. So the numbers are following English. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which will be followed by 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, etc.
Honestly, if I may cut in, honestly, if you can count in English, you can count in Bislama.
That is the true answer, but as soon as you pass 10, the real answer is you will say 15, but you will have to include 1, 5 as a way of clarifying exactly what you mean. Or you'll go to 20, 30, 40, maybe you'll say 55 or 57, and then you'll actually have to say 5, 7 to clarify to anyone that you mean 57. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then you got 1,000,000, which I'm going to disagree with your spelling. This is with an A at the end because I looked in the dictionary recently. 1,000,000.
Wait, is this the dictionary according to Terry Crowely?
I don't know. Why don't we actually ask what the dictionary says today? Please, Kelsi, tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay, 1 through 4.
4.
And wow, you have a lot of options. So 1 to 15, 12.
In Bislama, please. In Bislama, please.
Number 12, please.
Alright, 12. Number 12. Hemi. Secret. Ooh, my
good
God.
word.
The word is, I don't know if that's gonna focus, but this says
Secret.
secret.
Mike, can we get one secret girlfriend?
Oh my God, you're really spoiling my name right now, aren't you?
Secret is the word of the day.
That is true. The word is secret, which literally means.
Which brings us to our secret, Dear Jon. Dear Jon.
Yeah, Dear Jon. Get rid of that German.
Jamin. Nice. It's like a Java, dude. So,
Secret, literally, I want to end my segment, John. Secret literally means secret in English. My segment is done, John. Please come back.
which brings us to our Dear Jon letter.
Notice this needs come.
Not this, but this.
Come here. This. Yes.
He's not interested. He just wants me to come over. And we want you to come over to our next lesson.
Should we number something next?
Number 8.
Number
Number this one right here.
secret.
Picture the pro.
Oh, number
So,
8. E-I-T.
today's letter,
Oh. Who's it from, John?
Phil.
Phil! I haven't seen you in forever, Phil.
We miss you, Phil. And
Miss you.
thank you so much for your Dear Jon letter.
What do you...
Phil writes-
Wait, I can ask this question.
Alright, I'll be happy to answer.
Phil
Right.
writes... Phil writes...
His reading is not so good.
It's a problem. I'm used to keyboards and text on computer screens. That's why I have trouble with capitalized letters. But Phil writes, I talk to people, but I don't think they understand the group that I'm trying to include. Sometimes it's just myself and my good friend, and I use you, me, but it feels like that is the improper form.
Please do go on, Phil's letter.
Oh, don't you worry, there's at least another paragraph.
Nice.
I feel like, this is Phil's word, I feel like maybe the pronouns in Bislama have a great deal of extension. What is it? They come after the word. What's the word? Extension suffixes that can be included that would make my speech much more clear. Thank you, Phil.
Well,
Love to John.
Phil. Aw, thanks, buddy.
P.S. Miss you, John.
Aw, miss you too, buddy. Well, Phil, your question, although basically incomprehensible, can be answered. And I'm happy to announce it will be answered in our next lesson when we go on to talk about an extension of pronouns that includes many of the numbers that you see here